Okay, boys and girls, so now we're going to look into taking all the pieces of our paper that we've made and we're going to put them into one document. I'm going to show you how to make that document, okay? So up here you see that I have elephant's opinion. This is my first writing, okay? This is my rough draft. So then I'm going to go into a new document. So you're going to have to open a new document. I'm going to title it Elephants because that's what my actual title is going to be. And then I'm going to start down here. I'm going to change my font to 12 and make sure that you're in Arial print. Okay, so I'm going to change my font to 12. Then for the line spacing, we're going to do, I like 1.5, so we'll do 1.5 space. You can double space if you want to do double space, but you don't really have to. Okay, so we're going to start all the way on the left side of the paper. You're going to type your name. Okay, first and last. First and last. Okay, then you're going to hit enter. So hit enter. And then you're going to type the date. Oops, mine went back up. I'm going to put May 5th, even though you may be looking at this on a different date. So whatever date you started, that's what date you're going to put for yours, okay? All right. And then you're going to put what this lesson is. This lesson was opinion writing. So we're writing our opinion, okay? So those are the 3 things that I want you to have, okay? The 3 things that I want you to have. If you want to add teacher's name, they do this in high school. So if you want to be fancy and add your teacher's name like the high schoolers do, then you can put their name down at the bottom. That's what I used to have my high schoolers do when I taught high school. Okay, and then hit enter again. Now we're going to hit this center align. So see right here, it was left align. Now we're going to go to center align. So click that. It's going to send your cursor flying right to the center of the page. And then there we're going to bold and underline our title. Okay. Mine is just elephants. And remember, all of those words, those important words that need to be capitalized in every title, okay? 3rd graders, we went over this. 2nd graders, you guys were sitting in on the lesson as well. So make sure that you guys have all of those important words capitalized besides a and the, right? Usually everything else is pretty much capitalized. Okay, so I'm gonna hit enter again, but now I'm gonna realign everything to the left, okay? Now, to indent my paragraph, I need to hit tab, okay? I hit it once, I hit it twice. Now start typing your paper. So I already have my introduction here, so I'm just gonna copy my introduction from here. If you have yours typed up already, you can do the same. Just copy your introduction. And my writing was a little bit bigger because I wanted you guys to be able to see it. But I also want to make sure that my all my wording is black, okay? So now we have our introduction, and then I'm going to start giving you my reasons why I like this, okay? So I'm going to enter down 2 times. So you see I went from here, I hit enter, enter. 2 times hit enter. Now I'm going to tab in how many times to indent? 2. 1, 2. All right, let's go back in here. Now I'm gonna look for my first reason. So this is my very first reason. I'm gonna paste that in. I'm also going to make this a little bit smaller. And then I'm also going to make that black. Okay, so you guys can see that. That's black. That gives me my next paragraph. Now I'm going to add this next reason and example also into that same paragraph. That way I don't have so many paragraphs. Let me change that color to black, and we're going to make that size 12 Arial print. Okay, now I'm ready to move on to my next paragraph. Enter, enter, tab in 2 times to indent. And now I'm going to list my next 2 reasons why I like elephants. So this is going to be turned to black. So that way you guys can kind of see what your paper is supposed to look like. And then I'm going to add my 4th reason. And second graders, remember you only needed 2 reasons, so you'll only have that 1 paragraph, okay? All right, 3rd graders, you guys will have all of these paragraphs. Because as you know, I teach to the 3rd grade level, even though I have 2nd graders in the class. I teach the writing to that of the 3rd grade level. That way they know what is expected of them next year as well. Change that to black. And now I'm ready to go ahead and put in my conclusion, which I'm going to scroll down and grab. And again, if you did yours like this, you can copy and paste as well. I got to tab in 2 times, and then I'm going to paste that there. I'm going to make it 12 font, and I'm going to change it back to black. Okay, so now my paper is done. I have a complete paper. Hope that made sense. We're going to go over our papers, so make sure you guys have this typed up, because I really want to go over editing and revising this week, okay? Tomorrow, we will talk a little bit more about the paper if anybody needed any more assistance. It's pretty black and white how I did the opinion elephants paper. So if you guys go to this paper, please do go to this paper. I haven't had very many people ask me for access to it. So use this sheet. Make sure that you have everything that's asked of you. Everything is color coded. So the yellow goes with the yellow, the red goes with the red, and so on and so forth. If you do have any questions, please ask them, but please make sure to think first and think about what is it that I'm asking, okay? And we've also done all of these examples together as well. And then that way we can get on to editing and revising our paper and then turning in our final draft. We'll see you guys tomorrow.